Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a winter morning cleaning routine. So this is what I do most mornings to get my house nice and cozy. So I'm going to whiz round giving everything a good tidy up, putting everything back where it belongs, and also giving the kitchen a good clean, because you know I love a clean kitchen, and just get everything nice and cozy and ready for the day. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I've always got washing up to do in the morning, but I don't normally have this much, but I just left everything from the night before because I knew that I'd be filming today. So I really just couldn't be bothered last night to do it before bed, and as I was filming I just thought it can wait until this morning. But have you ever done that and then instantly regretted it as soon as you've walked into your kitchen in the morning? Because that is how I felt today. Walking in, I was kicking myself for not doing it before bed, but I'm just gonna whiz round and get it all done first thing so I can get it put away and I can finally forget about it. So I've only just realised how dirty that oven looks, so I really need to get on that soon and give it a good clean. The inside of the oven doesn't ever seem to get that bad. It's always just the door of the oven, and I don't really understand why, but I'm going to go in and give that a good clean soon. But for now, I'm just going to keep putting everything away so I can get the sink nice and decluttered, so I can go in and give it a good clean, because obviously you know, if you've been here before, that I love a nice clean shiny sink, and I just think that completes the kitchen when the sink's all decluttered. So I'm just going to go around and put everything away.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
So we've now come to my favourite part, and it is giving the sink a good scrub over. I'm going to be using the Cif cream today because it has been a few days since I've used the Cif and given it a good deep clean. So I'm just going to scrub it all on with a minky, wipe all the bubbles off with a microfiber cloth, and then I always go in with a dry microfiber cloth afterwards and some white vinegar spray just to buff it up and make it super shiny.
I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
So once all that's done, the next thing I want to do is wipe over all the sides with my Flash all-purpose spray, just to make sure they're nice and clean for the day, whilst adding in that gorgeous fragrance to the kitchen. So I'm just going to wipe down the sides and also the hob and just make everything nice and fresh.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So once the kitchen's nice and clean and feeling cozy, it's literally like a weight has been lifted. I just love having a nice clean kitchen. So I can now move into the front room and just whiz around and make sure that's nice and tidy. Not too much needs doing in here today. I'm just going to be tidying it up, putting everything back where it belongs and doing a bit of dusting just to make sure it's nice and fresh. But I've also got to try and move stuff around. You know what I'm like when it comes to rearranging my living room. I do it all the time, and now we have Cinnabon's new tunnel. I need to try and find a space for it. It will be going in the corner when the Christmas tree's gone, but until that I feel like this living room is just getting a bit over cluttered. It's just feeling a little bit too cluttered for me, so I'm going to be trying to switch things around and see if I can just make it fit in a little bit better.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So I didn't actually realise that anything got spilt on this table until I just went to pick my pad of paper up and it literally got stuck to it. So I'm just going to go in using the flash spray to give it a nice wipe over, make sure it's all clean, because sometimes spills happen and I don't even notice. So I'm just going to go in, make sure everything is nice and clean. Putting on the fire on the telly now, because I just think that makes such a nice atmosphere in the living room, and then I can go around and give everything a nice dust.
Every single day, you set my world on fire.
I'm really looking forward to undecorating now. I'm going to be doing that in a few days, and I just can't wait to have a nice blank canvas again. I am going to really miss the Christmas tree this year. It's just been my favourite part of the living room. It's just pink and sparkly and I love to look at it, but everything else is just making the room feel cluttered, and yeah, too much stuff literally gives me anxiety. I like to have a nice simple space rather than too many ornaments and decorations and things. So I'm really looking forward to just getting rid of everything, starting again with a blank canvas and just having a nice minimal living room. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.